My name is Mohammed Adnan Piti. I am skilled in logistics and supply chain management. I am performing this video to avail the World Skill Council Career Development Certificate. Role of logistics in supply chain management. In supply chain management, logistics is responsible for the movement and storage of goods and services, along with the documents and reports that record those movements throughout an item's journey to the customers. Logistics include the numerous transportation methods that give inventory from one location to another. This component is responsible for figuring out where goods can be kept at each stage until they are needed at another location, which is essential to effective supply chain management. Logistics is critical piece of supply chain because it manages and tracks the people and resources needed to store and transfer goods and services. Logistics ensure that materials and products reliably move at right time and on budget. Specific aspects of logistics that support supply chains includes delivering the right product at right time, reducing costs and improving efficiency, helping retain customers and increasing loyalty, providing a unique value proposition for some businesses, providing a means to deliver goods from the most cost-effective location from production to the location of the customer. Why is logistics training so important to supply chains? The field of logistics is constantly evolving as customer trends change. Logistics training helps employees and their companies stay current with best practices. Training gives a company the tool it needs to analyze and improve customer demand, product design and distribution strategies. Why use logistics and supply chain management? Logistics and supply chain management help business stay competitive. These practices tracks and coordinate the efficient and cost-effective movement of goods and services, which is key to an organization's profitability. Logistics components of the supply chain. Supply chain logistical components help to manage goods or services. Each element helps move materials, finished goods and service through the many steps in the supply chain. The following are the logistical components of supply chains. Information help track the status of items and all supply chain processes, informing business decision at each step. Storage is the practice of holding supplies in the right quantity and right locations. Business must strike a balance between demand and supply to prevent overstock and out of stock situations. Warehousing. This component controls the day-to-day warehouse operations such as receiving, put away, picking, packing, shipping and receiving. Material handling. Material handling can refer to the limited movement of items within a building or a delivery vehicle. Others extend the definition to include the storage, security and transfer of goods throughout the manufacturing, distribution and delivery process. Packaging. Proper packaging ensures the item arrive undamaged and shipped for the lowest possible cost. Unitization. Unitization makes items efficient to arrange, transport and store. Unitization methods also ensure that material handling equipment can move items efficiently and without damaging them. The cube is one of the easiest units to store and shift, so it's proper type of unitization. Inventory control. Inventory control incorporates storage and warehousing techniques to optimize the types and amount of stocks held, and where companies can use inventory management formulas to better calculate demand. Transportation. This component is responsible for moving goods along the supply chain to the next mode of directly to the customer. Transportation modes includes cars, trains, trucks, planes, and ships. How both supply chain management and logistics are fundamental to success. Supply chain management and logistics both support customer needs and improve the buying experience. Logistics provides direct feedback on customers' demand. SGM uses this data to understand what consumer want and plan production and inventory levels. Reliable, cost-effective logistics pave the way to efficient supply chain management. A well-managed supply chain results in filling orders accurately and on time, which over time will attract new clients and grow the bottom line. Many businesses have realized the benefits of using supply chain management software to help mitigate the complexities and challenges of supply chains. This software can unify various aspects of supply chain from sourcing to production planning to inventory and order management to help organizations meet rising customer expectations while keeping costs stable. It can also provide in-depth reporting on various aspects of your operations to highlight opportunities for process improvements or call attentions to potential problems.